Okay guys, today is painting day. So I love to paint. My mom is gonna come over. She's gonna also help a little bit. And Jay and we're just all gonna get out here and we're gonna start painting. We have to do a base coat and then I have to start drawing out our design onto the trailer. And the plan is just, we've got it all doodled out and we're just going to go out there and kind of freehand draw it and then make up whatever colors we need and start just putting it all on there. We have about 4 days or so before any rain, so hopefully we can get it all on there and the rain stays away and everything dries and it turns out great. So let's get started. This elaborate plan for the outside painting of the trailer, and it's large and we want it to draw attention, and we already know that people are going to kind of think that it's a food truck because of the shape and it being outside and all of that. So we wanted to showcase pretty much the fact that we're a farm and kind of some of the items that we sell. So for the outside, we're painting just like a giant mural pretty much.
And then they had like a maroon color. So when you sent me the pictures, I was trying to match as good as possible.
Yeah, you did great.
Of course, I had to blow up that one to see all the colors.
Oh yeah, I told you it was rainbow.
So.
What are you saying? No, it looks great. No, it looks good. We'll take the tape off the middle and it'll look perfect. It is looking so good. I'm excited about it. Now that we have the base done, it's time to get to the good stuff. guys, the rain ruined the painting. All of that work, like it took us like 3 days to do the Facebook emblems and all of that, and the pig worked so hard on her, my little moo moo. And the rain came, and some of the areas that weren't set just were destroyed. So on the side where the social media emblems we painted were, we actually had done a tar background base with the white, and then we went back over it with more white, but I guess the tar hadn't set enough, and when the rain came it like bubbled real bad. And honestly, I wish I would have filmed it for you guys, because it was kind of cool to peel it all off of there, but it was so saddening and frustrating because we spent so much time on that area. So we are gonna have to paint again, but not just yet. We're gonna let the rain settle down and come back to that on a later date. So for now, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Remember, we have more videos coming to this series of the trailer makeover. And this trailer is actually going to be our mobile shop, where we sell all of the things that we would normally sell at the farmer's market, but we'll be able to drive around and sell to other locals rather than just those in our small town. So until next time, see you later.